Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Today we are continuing Chapter 3 Major Landforms of the World. Our today's topics are plain, coastal plain, plateau, and desert. At first, let's understand about plains. Flat land on Earth's surface are called plains. Plains have gentle slopes. Rivers flow through plains, deposit rich alluvial soil. So, the plains soil is very fertile. Example, the Indo-Gangetic Plain of India. Example of plain, the Indo-Gangetic Plains of India. It has been built by the rivers Indus, Ganga, and their tributaries. The Indo-Gangetic Plains are called food bowl of India because this plain produces more food grains and other crops than any other part of the country. That's why the Indo-Gangetic Plains called food bowl of India. Next, coastal plains. What is a coastal plain? A coastal plain is a flat area of land located near a coast. Our country has long coastline. The coastal plains are divided into two. They are the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains extended from the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat to Kanyakumari, and the eastern coastal plains extended from the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta to Kanyakumari. Both the plains, that means the eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plains, meet at Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula. How is the climate in the coastal plain? The climate in the coastal plain is hot and humid. Which are the crops grow in this region? Rice, sugarcane, oil seeds, coffee, spices, cashew nut, and coconut. These crops grow well in this region. Next landform is plateau. What is a plateau? A flat area of land slightly higher than the land around it is called a plateau. Plateaus are rich in minerals. The Great Plateau of India extends from the south of the northern plains to Kanyakumari. The Great Plateau is divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Which soil is found in plateau region? Usually, black soil is found in plateau region. Okay, black soil is suitable for cotton cultivation. Next landform is desert. Dry places with little rainfall are called desert. In desert area, the soil is sandy. That means we can see sandy soil in desert. And very few plants are found here. These plants require very less water, or which can store water in their stems. There are two types of desert: rocky desert and sandy desert. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest desert in the world. In India, we have a desert. The name of the desert is Thar Desert. It is in Rajasthan. Some other examples of deserts are the Atacama Desert in South America, the Kalahari Desert in South Africa, and the Gobi Desert in China. Okay, children, read these topics many times in the textbook. New words: plains, plateau, desert. Thank you.